Okay, so I've never purchased anything off of eBay refurbished before. I was not expecting to actually have an official box. I was kind of expecting like, um, not the original packaging, like a white box or something like that. This seal is cut. Oh my gosh, this phone is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Holy crap. Oh, this is big. I mean, it is an industrial phone, but I still expected it to be smaller. This is a lot. This is like a brick. Okay, I don't know, I figured it would be a regular flip phone size, not this. It's still cold because it's like 20 degrees outside. And I'm just now getting it because it was supposed to come on Tuesday, but it didn't come till Saturday and I was out of town. Let's see what else is in the box. Ooh, we got all the accessories too. So we got a USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack and the USB-C to USB-A charger. So, cool. It is eBay refurbished. I don't know much about eBay refurbished. I think I said that before. I mean, it looks new. I'm pretty sure. There might be a few. Yeah, there's a few scratches on the screen, but like nothing crazy. It looks a little worn on the back. I'm actually not going to show you that because it's the serial number. It's heavy, but I don't know that there's a battery in the back of this thing. Yep, it's back there. It's just not in good. What is this? I guess the SIM card goes. Yeah, the SIM card and stuff goes in the back like that. SIM card and micro SD slot. So I am going to go ahead and put the battery back in. Apparently there's a specific way to do this. Actually, I need to put the SIM card in, so let me just go ahead and turn this thing on. These were sold as T-Mobile phones, so I'm going to see if it has a T-Mobile branding or what. The reason that I chose this phone is I just wanted a basic phone, no T-Mobile branding so far. Just, there's the T-Mobile logo. Okay, so whatever, but it's still an unlocked phone, so you can use it with whatever. I've read that it's not good with Verizon. Unfortunately, Verizon is my primary carrier, but I decided to go with a different phone number, even though it is already reset or whatever. I'm gonna go through and reset it anyway, that just because I know that it's refurb or used or whatever, but that's just because I am who I am. What I've decided to use with this phone is a Boost Mobile SIM. If you Google and type in $10 Boost Mobile plan, you can get the one that I have. I don't need data, really, just talk and text, but like RCS and stuff, so I wanted a little bit of data, even though most people that I talk to have iPhones. Like those that don't, like I can use RCS. It's kind of like iMessage for everyone else. And I'm going to factory reset it because I want to. No, but there are cheaper plans with like no data. I feel like Trello may offer something like that. Tello. But there's all kinds of others. You don't have to go through like Verizon or T-Mobile or AT&T. There are cheaper plans out there that can just be talk and text and a little bit of data. Maybe US Mobile. I've read that it doesn't work well with Verizon. I don't know. But I'm going to use Boost Mobile. I think the SIM card they sent me was T-Mobile, so even though T-Mobile is not the best, where I am, it's Verizon signal-wise, maybe not the download speed, but overall coverage. We'll see how that goes. I have done the T-Mobile test drive before, so I kind of know, unless there's been like major improvements, what I'm going to have. But again, I don't really need data. So everything also, I was looking at this and it says follow the instructions at this website. Everything is so like online driven. There's like no number to call to activate. And honestly, I feel like that would be really easy to do. You just type in your SIM number, and an automated system should be able to help you out. Is that everything that's in here? Yep, just the SIM card. Nothing else. All the instructions are on the outside. The reason that I chose this phone is because, yes, I just want a basic phone, but also, since it is Android powered, I will be able to have apps. And two things that I really want are maps and music. That's why I chose this. I feel like it would be a miserable experience. Maybe not miserable, but it's definitely going to be, like, this isn't going to be fun to scroll with. You know what I mean? Like, like, I'd have to hold it up here, and, like, I don't even want to install anything outside of, like, necessities. So, also the other thing, you know, running a photography business, I do need to be able to get online to some extent. So that's also another thing. And also the job that I have, I need to be able to get online. There's a convenience to the phone that I have now that is nice, but also, like, it can also be a time suck. And that's what I'm trying to get away from. This is supposed to deter that. We will see, though.
So honestly, this is kind of a fail because I would have needed to put the SIM card in already because I would have to take the battery out. But this is a setup process. I need to get my Wi-Fi password, so hold on a sec. I didn't show it, but when I put in the Wi-Fi password, it does have an on-screen keyboard. So if I don't want to use this, even though I kind of want to do just to kind of throw it back, I really hope that it does have T9 word. If you don't know what that is, I'm sorry, you missed out on that experience in life. Get a flip phone and try it out.
I have not had or set up an Android phone in a long time, so I don't know. This runs Android 11. It was released in 2021, I think. Well, the date on the box is 1/18/2022, but I wonder if that's like when it was refurbished, so I don't know. Oh, it's got a little Nextel. I wonder what the... Does this have like the walkie-talkie? Like, what does that button do? Oh, that would be so cool. Throw back to Sprint. I don't want to log into Google. Sorry. I just want talk and text for right now. Thank you. I just want the basic stuff. I just want to get the phone activated, and then put it on the charger tonight, and then go tomorrow. It has very clearly been a while since I've tried to do something like this because I just tried to put the SIM card in this slot, and I was like, wow, you don't see a lot of, like, what are they called? Micro SIM instead of nano SIM, and then it still didn't fit, and I was like, okay, so then I made it my nano, and then that still didn't fit, and now we've ended up where it's actually supposed to be.